Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters, and a very warm welcome to all of you on this Arabic learning journey. Today, we are so excited to begin our journey together with the very first lesson from the highly respected Durusul Lughah al-Arabiyyah Volume 1 by the Dr. V. Abdur-Raheem rahimahullah. This series is designed for absolute beginners, so if you are new to Arabic, you are in the right place. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the question, what is this in Arabic? And we will pick up some essential vocabulary. We will even learn how to ask and answer simple yes or no questions. By the time you are done with this video, you will be able to put together your first Arabic sentences. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this! Hayya bina! The first and most important phrase for today is Ma hadha. Let's break it down. Hadha means this. It's generally used for masculine singular nouns. Next, we have ma. In Arabic, ma is specifically used as an interrogative noun or a question word when asking about objects, animals, or anything that is not a human being. We can see this rule noted in our lesson material. So, putting it together, ma hadha means what is this? Now, let's all together practice saying it. Look at this image. Ma hadha. The answer is Haadhaa Baytun. This is a house. Next object. Ma hadha. What is this? Haadhaa Qamisun. This is a shirt. Ma hadha. What is this? Haadhaa Najmun. This is a star. Now, what if you want to ask a yes-no question, like, is this a house? It's very simple in Arabic. We use what is called the interrogative Hamzah. This is just the letter Hamzah placed at the very beginning of a statement to turn it into a question. So, if Haadhaa Baytun means this is a house, to ask, is this a house? We just add Hamzah at the start. Ahadha baytun? Is this a house? Now, for the answer. To say yes, we use the word na'am. And to say no, we use la. Ready to practice this? Ahadha baytun? Is this a house? Na'am. Haadhaa Baytun. Yes, this is a house. Ahadhaa Sarirun. Is this a bed? La. Haadhaa Kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Ahadhaa Miftahun. Is this a key? La. Haadhaa Qalamun. No, this is a pen. Recap. Let's quickly recap the key grammar points from today's lesson. Remember, ma is our interrogative noun for asking what about non-human things. The interrogative hamzah is placed at the beginning of a statement to turn it into a yes-no question. And for our answer to those yes-no questions, we use na'am for yes and la for no. The key to mastering this is practice. Practice, practice. Review the words and phrases, say them out loud, and try to use them. You can rewatch this video as many times as you need. Now, let's practice. Tamrin. Tamrinun means practice or exercise. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha miftahun. This is a key. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kitabun. This is a book. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha babun. This is a door. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha baytun. This is a house. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kursiyun. This is a chair. Exercise 2. Ahadha baytun? Is this a house? La. Hadha masjidun. No, this is a mosque. Ahadha miftahun? Is this a key? La. Hadha qalamun. No, this is a pen. Ahadha qamisun? Is this a shirt? Naam. Hadha qamisun. Yes, this is a shirt. Ahadha najmun? Is this a star? Naam. Hadha najmun. Yes, this is a star. Exercise 3. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Hadha maktabun. This is a desk. Hadha masjidun. This is a mosque. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Hadha sarirun. This is a bed. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kursiyun. This is a chair. Ahadha baytun? Is this a house? La. Hadha masjidun. No, this is a mosque. Ma hadha? Hadha miftahun. What is this? This is a key. That's all for today. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is anything in particular you would like to learn. Thanks for joining me today. Ma'as-salamah, and I will see you in the next lesson, insha'Allah. Wassalamu alaikum.